I'm Andrew Davis. I work for John Lewis Partnership. We are a retailer of 50 department stores around the UK, and my role within the business, I look after ensuring that we can repair all of the consumer electronic products that we sell in our department stores across the UK. So that will be UK coverage, men going out in vans to fix big screen TVs on customers' walls, right the way down to repairing high-tech mobile phones, iPhones, etc. that customers may well bring into us. So the number of service calls that we would deal with in any one year currently is running about 100,000. That is split pretty much 50-50 between what we call field service, which is a man in a van going out to fix things like big screen TVs for customers in their homes, and the other 50% are much smaller devices such as mobile phones, iPhones, tablets and so on and so forth. So we use ServicePower today to basically manage that end-to-end customer journey. From the moment they bring the product in, we log it into the system, it provides a receipt when they're bringing it in, it provides an appointment if it's an in-home call or field call, and then just basically manages the whole end-to-end piece so we can see where the product is in the repair journey, what status point it's at, and keep customers informed along the way via email or text or just simple phone calls. And we can also look things up real time. If the customer calls into us, we can give them a real-time update on that, on the progress of that repair. I think as far as the future of the customer experience is concerned is, one thing at least, is really putting the customer in control or giving them the opportunity to help themselves. That might be a little bit around self-diagnosis, but perhaps more about being able to book a call or repair or a collection, and enabling then behind the scenes all of the systems that are involved in managing that to talk to one another so that everything's up to date, and no matter where you look, you've got an up-to-date picture of where that particular product is in the journey. Job visibility is key, and making sure then that the customer is aware of that job visibility all the way through the journey, but with the caveat of making sure that you don't over bombard them with information. It's at the right place at the right time, I think, for that. So from a reporting management information perspective, it's really important for me to be able to manage my network of people and the performance of that network of repairers, right the way down to are they meeting SLA, and if they're not meeting SLA, how do we make sure that they do meet SLA in the future, or do we essentially even keep them in our network if they're not capable enough. So that ability to be able to cross-filter between servicer capability and reliability of product, and of course, perhaps most importantly from a commercial point of view, the whole cost element, what is costing more, what's costing less than others. So it's a real comparison piece is the bit that I use ServicePower for in my desk role most of the time.